So I wasn't going to film much today, to be honest. It's my first day on sort of quite a big job for me, like a bit of commercial work. And I didn't really want to start walking about with cameras and things. So I've been in a little sort of toilet area. So I thought I'd just get a little bit of me, just doing a bit of skimming. I'm just flattening in with the Rafina Plasiflex. I think that's an 18-inch one actually. And it's all on boardwork, and the boardwork was lovely and flat. So I've put my first two coats on and then just flattening in with that really. And now I'll just sort of show you really what I did for the day. So that was the outside of that little room there. So got that done. It's tape all over the door frame, so that's got to be pulled off for a nice clean edge. Yes, I did the outside of that, and then this is the little room I was just in. Ceiling and 4 walls, or 3.5 walls really. Because one of them's got that sort of framing for the toilet and stuff on it. And then I will get on with some making good around these door frames. Got a bit of bonding in the van. This isn't being done, this is being panelled, all these walls. So I haven't got to touch any of these. I think it's been panelled with this stuff, this sort of like wood with like a veneer. And all I've got to skim in here is these little window reveals. So 1, 2, which I'll get all them prepared today. I'll get them all beaded and scrimmed up, and then the rest of the task is this sort of bigger area. I didn't go down too far because there's blokes working down here, so but you can see the distance, the sort of length of it. I have an apple every day, and I generally can't remember the last time I went to the doctors. Touch wood. So maybe an apple a day does keep the doctor at bay. Oh, anyway, I've just left that big commercial job I'm doing. Bit of a different job for me, really. It's not really my thing. You know, I've done all that years ago when I was younger, and for the last sort of 20 years I've just done domestic, you know, like bedrooms, lounges. Yeah, so a bit of a different environment for me, that one. Not something I enjoy, to be honest. You know, big site radios booming out. We all fix it radio, because we're builders. I get it, but it's not me. I'm too old for all that, you know. I like something a little bit more tranquil. So that was alright. I've only probably got in total maybe 5 or 6 days there in total, and I'll stagger that a bit actually, because I'll be there Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. So today's Monday. I probably won't be there Thursday or Friday because I've got other work to squeeze in. I'm just trying to play Jenga with jobs at the minute. Make sure head spin out really. But I fancied that job. It's being run by a customer of mine. I've done his house, and I didn't know I knew he worked at a climbing centre, but he's involved in this is a new one that his company are obviously bought an empty warehouse, and they're turning it into another climbing centre, but I think a bit of a different version of a climbing centre than the one they've already got. So anyway, he rang me and said, "Do you fancy the plastering?" So I thought, yeah, I will have that. Something a little bit different, a bigger scale, eat the meterage up. So yeah, but it's not really my environment, you know. There's not too many blokes there, but you go in there and there's blokes that all know each other, and they're all, you know, all the banter and all that. And I'm just a little bald-headed old man in there, I feel now. You know, 20 years ago I would have been alright, but they're all a lot younger than me. They all look like they could just bash me in the ground like a nail. And that's alright, because I'm no threat to them. I'm just this little old man plasterer just plodding along. But I do like my own environment. I do like tranquility. I do like my little podcast on the radio. I don't want Bon Jovi blaring out at me and all that loads. I don't want a kiss streak. Don't want all that anymore. It's not for me. But anyway, so yeah, it's a nice job. It's all plasterboard work basically. A couple of little repairs on some concrete, some solid walls. But it's just all skimming over board work, and the board work's been done well. So yeah, that'll be me. I'll be back there tomorrow. I'll be back there Wednesday. So I'll try and film something, but it's quite hard to film because obviously there's a lot of noise going on. There's radios blaring out. I don't really know anyone to start walking about with cameras and all that lot, so I feel a little bit shy doing that sort of thing, if I'm honest. Telling everyone I'm a YouTuber. I bet they'll look at each other and go, oh yeah, of course he is. But anyway, I'm on my way back home now. Just about to join the A11 London bound Cambridge. And I'll edit this video later, put it out, and hopefully I'll see you all tomorrow, which will be Tuesday. Have a good evening all. Now, to totally contradict myself about music, I do like loud music, and I do like loud music in my ears, but I make a bit of music on the computer sometimes. I'm a bit geeky like that. I like technology and samples and chopping up stuff. So I made a little song, well, it's not a song, I made a little dance track with some samples from the Predator film in it. And then I found some video of it and chopped it about and just made a little video on top of it. I've got nowhere else to put it, so I might as well shout to you lot. So if you do like it, give us a little thumbs up. If you really like it, please subscribe. But I'll put it in the end of the video. And if you don't want to watch it, there's nothing else after that. So see you later.
Come on. Do it. Do it. Come on, come on. Kill me, I'm here, kill me! I'm here, kill me! Come on, kill me, I'm here! Come on, do it now, kill me! Do it now, kill me! You're bleeding, man.
I ain't got time to bleed.
You got time to duck?
Say again, Blazer One.
Come on!
Say again.
Come on!
Ox, request for extraction denied.
Do it now! Kill me!
Bastards. They say we're still in too far and they can't listen. It comes with the job. I can accept the bullshit.
¿Qué más quieres que te diga?
Jesus, the same fucking thing. The jungle that came alive and took him. Billy, you know something. What is it?
I'm scared.
Bullshit. You ain't afraid of no man.
There's something out there waiting for us. And it ain't no man. Whatever it is out there, killed Hopper, and now it wants us.